Let's kick off with how the index is doing this week. A lot of things going on, especially 2 weeks ahead of the elections. How are you seeing this perform? Are we going to be back at that 7,000 levels, especially with all the volatility going on?
Well, Danny, like you mentioned earlier, there's just so many headwinds going into the rest of the year. Naturally, locally, we have the election, and I think a lot of business people in particular are putting off a lot of big ticket items until that's out of the way.
Okay.
But we look abroad. Just last Friday, we saw U.S. stock market sell off by 2%, right? Those types of moves don't happen on a normal business day. So obviously we have the Ukraine war, we have rising commodity prices, we have central banks raising rates, and a bit of cloudiness with regards to how fast the BSP will start doing that, because they are behind the Fed in that regard. So we do have so many risks coming up that it's hard for anyone to really buy into this market with real conviction and in real size.
Now, let's talk about the earnings here and the multiples. So we're trading at 15.7 times forward earnings, far from the ways that we were seeing even earlier in last year or December 2021. How low could this possibly go, especially as we anticipate more earnings coming in?
That's a tough question to answer. I think, investors are just scared right now. And personally, I don't think we've seen a capitulation event yet. So
okay.
I'm in a very bearish camp. I still do
Right.
think this index goes maybe 6,500 in the next 2 months.
Okay.
So how low it can go, I don't know, but that's certainly where I feel like things are going.